Welcome to the video. Hi, I'm Sarah, CreativeSarah. If you're new, type add me in the comments. If you haven't become a member yet, type club. And if you're curious about becoming a designer, type team in the comments. Remember, you can shop online at CreativeSarah.com. Alrighty, let's get down to work. So first I have this awesome rectangular basic shape. I am painting it with a little bit of peachy keen chalk paste mixed with some water. I'm going to dry it, and then I'm going to go ahead and go over it a second coat with full on peachy keen, and just getting a little tiny bit of that watery stuff as I go, just to help smooth it out. Once we dry this, we have a really great base for moving forward with our really pretty sign that we're going to use. So I am going to get ready this Sweet Love transfer that's coming from our Hello Valentine transfer. And I'm going to use our shimmer gold, you guys. I love these two colors together. It goes on smooth and you get a little bit of that shimmer in there. Now, we definitely have to dry this. So I'm going to use my quick dry tool to dry it. And I'm thinking about what I'm going to do next. And of course, I've got my power punch sitting there, so we are gonna punch some holes. I went ahead and used my mat to mark about 1 inch in on each side so I can punch those holes with that power punch. And here I'm gonna string with a little bit of jute, so that's gonna be my hanger for this cute little sign. And of course, add a little funsy stuff. So I've got some pretty ribbon and some gold leaves, and I'm just gonna make a fun little bow right there on the side. How cute is that, you guys?